Ever wondered how to make delicious grilled chicken at home? The kind that leaves your taste buds dancing with joy and your family and friends asking for more? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the art of making grilled chicken that's not just good, but great. First things first, the choice of chicken. Opt for bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces. Why, you ask? Bone-in chicken retains moisture better, and the skin gives an extra layer of flavor. Next up, the marinade. A good marinade is the secret to perfectly grilled chicken. Olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper come together to create a marinade that's tangy, aromatic, and oh so flavorful. Mix these ingredients in a bowl, add the chicken, and ensure each piece is well coated. Now let the chicken sit and soak up all that delicious flavor. Marinate for at least 2 hours, but if you can, leave it overnight in the fridge. The longer, the better. Time to get grilling. Preheat the grill to medium heat. That's around 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken pieces skin side down. Close the grill and let the magic happen. Grilling should take about 20 to 25 minutes, but remember to turn the chicken every 5 to 7 minutes to ensure even cooking. Is it done yet? A good way to check is by inserting a thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the chicken, making it even more succulent. So, there you have it, a simple yet delicious grilled chicken recipe. Start with bone-in skin-on chicken, marinate it with a blend of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs. Let it sit for a few hours, then grill to perfection. Remember, the key to great grilled chicken lies in the marinade and the grilling process. Get these right and you're well on your way to becoming the grilled chicken master. So why not give it a try? With a bit of practice and a lot of love, you'll be serving up delicious grilled chicken in no time. Enjoy!